What would you say to some of the leaders of the NBA who are pretty much silent for the most part on the Uyghur genocide and these concentration camps, and still profit massively from China and their business there?
Yeah, NBA is very big community and all world knows them. But I think like NBA or like a lot of big community or big mark, they will stop keeping silent because they don't want to lose this China, this good business, good relationship. They don't want to think about humanity. They don't want to think about what happened. A lot of people like genocide, they don't think about it. They just think about their own business. Because this, I hope I tell the world like coming, join us and become, give us power, and then let China stop this genocide. And especially I am, this basketball player Anas Kantar. He talked about Uyghur. We are very appreciate. We hope like this person, a lot of people to behind the Uyghur help us to stop genocide.
What would you say to LeBron James, who often likes to talk about political issues going on, but he hasn't said anything about the Uyghur genocide? What would you say to him if you had the chance?
If I have chance, I will say to him, if you are me, and if you have like my situation, or your family, your sister, your brother, or your kids have like my situation in your country, what you do? You need to tell the world, help me, help my family. You will do this or no? But now it's not you. It's come to me, come to my people. I doing this, and you are human, or you want to think about your money, your own business, or you want to think about humanity.